Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to make text appear individually in LibreOffice Impress. Look at the short presentation. You will see a static title page. Static in our case means that you have to proceed by hitting return. The remaining presentation runs automatically. There's a first page with items appearing line by line, a second page where word after word is coming up, a third page where letter after letter appears, and an end of presentation page. Let's look at the setup of the static title page. Go to View and then to Slide Transition. The side panel will open and we set None in the Transition Icons field and select on mouse click in the Advanced Slide field. This will provide the presenter with enough time to introduce his subject. Click on the next slide. For Advanced Slide, select after 2 seconds. That is, the slideshow will proceed to the next slide after 2 seconds. But first we will make the text lines appear one by one in different ways. Since the transition panel is already open, click the animation icon. Otherwise choose View in the main toolbar and Animation. The animation panel opens. Click the first line and then Add. The text paragraph appears in the animation window. Click on the plus sign and select the first line. Choose an effect, for example Fly In. In Start, choose After Previous. In Direction, for example From Bottom, and in Duration 0.5 seconds. Press play to see the preliminary result. Repeat the steps for the remaining 2 lines. Select the second line in animation, choose the effect, bounce, choose after previous so you don't have to press return, and then direction, which is not available for this effect. Set the speed of the animation with duration. Do the same steps for the third line. I selected a boomerang effect. Click on the third slide. Set up the transition first. Open the transition panel. Select None from the icons list and in Advanced Slide after 3 seconds. Play around with these parameters and see the results. Call up the animation panel now. Click the first word and Add. The whole paragraph will transfer to the animation window. I chose Fly In, From Bottom, and duration 0.5 seconds. If you want to animate a certain word differently, click the small plus sign and select it. Select the effect and the parameters as described before. Click on the fourth slide and set up the transition. Open the transition panel. Select None from the icons list and in Advanced Slide after 3 seconds. Play around with these parameters and see the results. Now call up the animation panel. Click somewhere in the text and then plus Add. The text appears in the animation window. In Effects, choose Fly In, for direction from left, for start after previous, and for duration 0.5 seconds. Click on the small option symbol to open the Effect Options menu. If not already open, click the Effect tab and in Enhancement and Text Animation, select Letter by Letter. Leave the other parameters as they are and hit OK. The fifth slide does not contain any text animation, so only set up the slide transition to None, duration 2 seconds, and Advanced Slide to after 3 seconds. Go to Slideshow in the main toolbar and select Start from First Slide. Enjoy the show! This concludes our video about animating text in LibreOffice Impress. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what are your pain points in LibreOffice. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.